Hello, my name is Devin Patel,
My name is Faith Grimmeisen.
And I'm Jainum Patel.
right, and we did our socket project over tic tac toe.
Alright, the server handles the game logic and keeps track of the tic tac toe board. The server sends the board to the client with the prompt for a move. The client is only expected to send a single line of text as a response, thus eliminating the client from having to keep track of the game board. So the way that it works is that the client sends a request to the server to connect, and then the server will create an acknowledgement basically to the client so that it can connect to the actual game board, and then it waits for another client to connect before the game actually starts. Once the game starts, the client is expected to send some data or string to the server, and the server will process that action and see whether or not the move is valid or invalid. And then once it does that, it will also update both the game boards for the clients. And then the server just keeps repeating that same thing until the game is finished, and then the clients both disconnect.
And for the languages, we chose to use JavaScript and more specifically Node.js. And the additional tools we used were net, which we used for socket, and then readline, which we used for the prompts. And we also used Git for source control for our code.
And so, as mentioned before, our application is a tic tac toe game. So, this once the server is started and both the clients connect, the first player to join is designated as the X player, second player is the O player. And the X player goes first, and they send a move by typing in to the command prompt a move and then a cell number. Now, once they send over a move, the second player is able to also send a move. And once the game keeps on going until a tie is met or one of the players win. And once the game is over, the server has to be restarted in order for another game to take place. Let's go ahead and do a demo of it. So here is a demo of our tic-tac-toe project. So on the top left terminal, there's going to be the server. So let's go and get that running. So right now it's listening for the two clients to connect. Let's get the first one to connect. The top right is going to be the X player. Right, they connect first to the X player, and it's received a connection in the server terminal. The bottom right terminal is going to be for the O player. Alright, so now both players are here, they're both connected, and now it is X player's turn. So, Jainum, you're X.
Alright, so move 4.
Alright, move 4, it's based on an array, so 4 would be the centerpiece. There's 9 spots, 0 through 8 are the valid move numbers. Right? So now it is O player's turn. Your move, Faith?
Move 2.
Move 2. She puts the move 2. And if, say, for instance, Jainum tried to put it in Faith's spot, so player X puts it in move 2, the cell is already occupied. They can't do that. Alright, so Jainum, what's your move?
Move 0.
He puts her in the top left spot. Alright, and say, for instance, Faith tried to put a bunch of mess in the move right here. It would just ignore it. And say, for instance, Faith tries to put a move 9, which is out of bounds. It would just throw up an error, but it's still Faith's turn. So, Faith, what is your move?
Move 8.
Move 8. Alright, Jainum?
Move 5.
Ooh, it's getting heated.
Move 3.
3. Alright. Back to you, Jainum.
Move 6.
Move 6.
Move 7.
Move 7.
Move 1.
Alright, it's a tie. Alright, and that is a demo of our game. If they want to play another game, they would have to restart the server. Restart the server, close it out, and then boom, another game can start it. Alright, and thank you for watching this presentation. My name's Devin.
Faith.
And Jainum.
Alright, thank you all for watching.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.